The Keychron Q1 mechanical keyboard brings premium build quality and customization for enthusiasts and professionals with a hint of retro Apple aesthetic. The Q1 is built like a tank, crafted from CNC machined aluminum, giving it a robust, durable feel that's built to last. It offers both wired and wireless modes, seamlessly switching between up to 3 devices with Bluetooth 5.1 and includes a USB-C cable for wired connectivity. The keyboard is hot swappable, so users can easily change switches and keycaps, accommodating nearly all 3 and 5 pin MX switches for a customized typing feel. The Q1 also features a double gasket design with silicone padding that minimizes sound resonance and enhances typing acoustics. With 22 RGB backlight settings and premium PBT keycaps, the Q1 combines functionality, aesthetics, and adaptability into one well-rounded typing experience. You can grab it now in multiple colorways for $220 in the link below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Also, if this doesn't take your fancy, make sure to check out some alternatives in the description below.